Hi, GC News. Mima Obibia Akwaba had the latest and hot news in Kwana. Maybe bravo. And what say we can subscribe to the channel now. Obody say over subscribe. Nobody say over click the subscribe button. Now what the notification. We have a new video or the first person what's a birthday. I feel we are now one like video and give us a thumbs up. Nafi also to say. Shema of so na would be here now won't a Akoto and walk on a memohano. I think the ability and similar Victoria Ponso a wahasi. Yeti and similar a corso, yeti.
You see, such a party document in that one. Sabu could have done. No, do I not say, Gadia and Dafomo? A real.
But say, Okyehene because I say. Onim hu bibia emfi omo ho
emfi ono ne ho so obi aso nka se ono na twero ye nobody has said say ono na twero ye but I did the book mu bia no ebe mako bibia ebe say ebe kwa pam Tinkline, Edu Asafman for back question for Pacho MM.
Abem.
Okay. AGYAPADIE Pacho Abem. Enterprise insurance. Enterprise insurance. I take Uber SIC. The Pacho MM. We know Abem. Eti obi anywa eti book no free if you solo na better from sakwa.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
So as I say, first book no serious. Bibi a book no bi e adwuma. Bibi a book no bi a adwuma. And I think that as I say, state capture no. You find it serious. These crooks.
Then you find it serious because Obi also be taking you on.
Sanka. Obi know why not going to be taking it on. And I'm telling you, I keep saying this to you. We've just crossed our fingers. The right time is coming. Now, I told the beer. Sorry, and we will do exactly at the Ebeboa on my own. The documents, you know. Now, we say yes, it's a Ghana, minerals, you know, I'm a bushia back. There's a Ghana here gold, diamond, oil, bauxite. As I say, you could be some permission if you want more. They can now one. I don't know what to call gold for oil. I was saying, you say, I am a petrol boaba from. Ubi a wutu oil. Ubi a wutu gold. We are then I was a sawa gold in the Kojo oil. Wabra oil. Senyansa wutrima. Senyansa wutrima. Why do you do that? They are doing it because Japan, the Japanese bukunim. Yemfa contractor kese ma ye ma ene ye nananom. Said the beya ye ni okra wombre e wasase so e Japanese bukunim. Enti jankuma Akufo Addo ba. It is $34 million ambulance maintenance contract at the manual. Okay. Enterprise assurance. Cecilia Menoka say enterprise. Kevin, I take you over. SIC Egu. SIC Life Egu. We then I catch them say, who call your business? Ewa buying bank. Ghana Commercial Bank. NIP. Who call ye Ewo? A buying bank be now we hear ADB, we hear insurance. Aje private insurance company. Enterprise. Wabra SIC. SIC Net2 TV. And I mean, Maka, you say, Pacho kasa. Yeah.
And just say book no free here, and I said document no free.
Oh, that's a baby free now. No, I am watching for ya. And I'm watching for you now. They are very fine action people. They are very, 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 very fine action people in this country. You're watching for Moose.
You are watching Juicy
You're watching
News
for
on
Kafra
YouTube.
Network
Hot
and
news
Samson
all
Bonani.
time.
You're watching for a war, NDC, CPP, PNC. Watching for Nabisu MPP Mukura, Omunkawe. What a book of free. How free? The idea of book Rubia is playing out. A dear woman, bam, 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 is pepe. And another by a sovereignty plane, and I'm one. I didn't try. Which other particular of the book, Crampon had been book a zero, a snake. Ten right to snake. Or Yena Juma, Bonidian by, Bibian say, Bibian Corso. Mose, co, name conquer a day. Co, name for Safama for Banembra. And where AGYAPADIE book room say, Bay or Safama for Banner Deputy Director General, I was net. Promoting Wanako, na Tingle Friho, no more Beshaho, or Bukulum, Essi. It is a book in Yanokra, Adewe, 2016, any unity, Mammy Mikoshi, it will be. And I be a bass for Kakra 2018 to say that me catch the way we and then Argentina. And people think that it's not true. You can say, and you'll be on a Troy, you could want a debray. Adibia won't be so AC. And we are saying that, and you're not correct. Oh no, my brother, I am not correct.
And why not so taking it up?
Maybe I said, the way I was your structure at the end. And your criminal said president. I catch Mr. Y Seku. May you, my sister, on Mr. X Beshawadai. And was a criminal. You can't question the president for changing his appointee. And maybe you know, the president, prime minister. Has the president to court. It's a grand scheme to milk this country. That's what they are planning, and that's what is going on. That's what they are doing. Like how then I Ken Ofori Atta. MPs 88 is a woman pedo. What could fall before for Amin Andaus, why would the neighbor? What's my Ken Ofori Atta, Minister of State at the presidency in charge of economics, in charge of finance, HSN. AGYAPADIE the day inside, fine. Why? We panel don't to be yet into Otchere. Presidency as Minister of State or presidential advisor on finance. Hey, really? Kenya and Uganda. Can you make Ghana? Can you make
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
I mean, you're the better I was yeah, Casanan so you answer the any paboni woman, and I mean, so my way is some person any paboni. So that's it. That's it.
It's a day no say Ghana for you.
Yeah, sorry. I said sorry.
I'm remember December.
Yes, Shasi Kasa. Yes, Shasi and Kasa. Yes, Shasi and Kasa. Yes, Shasi and Kasa. The world must know that we are talking. Yes, Shasi and Kasa. After Casanachino, you have action twice. Obia say Obia Bibia, Obia Brobia, Obia Kumubia, you street in so. Yes, if you are dealing with my name, Papa. When you are young, your boy, Obayram. But I saw the corruption, a big boy, once for you to be mammy to be. Why didn't you buy to be? How my sick ID? Amansika yedi. And I mean, yet to move,
so your few months to elections. And on the
Chief. Another Musuya, you will be a pussy December 7th. The new one. Also, we are heavy. We are heavy. Papa. We must rise and do something. The youth of this country, no? I am assuring the people of this country.
That president inaugurated GBC board.
Ghana Broadcasting Corporation.
Yes, and graphic communication then at times.
Who's your media?
Of
course, the president of the republic, and then on also can say every single allegation in that book, a fabrication. Now, me kutuno. Or said the recent fabrication, AGYAPADIE, falsely claims a grand scheme by my party to annex state assets. This baseless document is a clear attempt to mislead and create distrust. Now, AGYAPADIE no Hopeson, when you break a kenkanche Ghana for pese Ghana for jidino, a ajumpobina nipa bi mu aba chese omo pese omo me nipa bi fa the party MPP ho tan na afi so it created disaffection for him and then his party. Hopeson Okyehene say book na Hopeson wahenham wa eka ho asem na opese Ghana for agidie se ekuo bi wo Ghana memu ha omaya omadwen se omode mpapa mu beba omamadwen so me se omunye omo ho tam enya no kore na odwene ho a wonte ase se nipa da se ne betimi atena se na wa fabricate such lies e dia to
on YouTube.
Okyehene any I mean achim for so
Minia
ye
be say achim for no omuko school say JB Dampare mo start omunya kwankwa brochire ni ade nti omuma no so kuko school omo suade most of them were lawyers who di abroad na adwene be beat you one was am working Papa and my party MPP was adie mu Agyapade we MPP wo abusia ko bi Ghana Agyapade once what the party befra what the party ba be for who to save them and that one will not wash. I'm telling him he's my good friend respectfully it will not wash.
Hopeson me person can establish the way before you go into it why you juma ewo abandon them or party that as a member of the national security architecture we are now play a party in the banner a year security homes and somewhere not just a nyasem ketu akra ye Ghana 4% omhu say book wa Hopeson adorye da wanimi eye janimi mukrorum enye ade bi obi ahyeda a fabricate say obese ochim Ghana fo adwene na afei o ma Ghana fo nya time bi de ma abusua ko bi Hopeson
yo bukui APA 2016 proud to elections.
Okay.
Anna MPP winning elections. There was a review, early stages. I quite remember 2018. Obia was a member of National Communications team of MPP. There was a meeting. Boabia someone stood and raised, say, document is saying number. Now, how are we going to handle it?
If you find a buy, document if you find a buy.
Oh, one day, made any Nyabutre.
Okay, me too.
Communication director say document abani. Wanya bi awakan. Na emu Gabby was at the meeting or Robeshe I don't know. Mufantunche na say. Look, Enra, I had a conversation with someone. And this document, only one copy was printed by the architecture of this, I can't say document, the architects of this document. One more printed just one copy. They lock it under safe. When I heard the story, I said, wow. Now, I may say, now, at the early stages, I need the because war, baby. Now, one particular meeting, they forgot to lock the book. The party picking ya, which book ya, my print ya. Which I won't say, I said, yeah, you tum kakra. Yeah. Ni party fire or photocopy ye, sharp. A two say, net tona no grano, yasa. What photocopy ya, what could do for you? And was find the phone, and was scanning ye, and put into soft copy. And my man for, and ye be king. So because a sabook we a fish and any panel, sabe. Maybe I know one kind ye. So what can ya no analyze it? Minya a break a room. What dear?
Oh, your break,
Yen that time and then make kind of forward no in full. First, they had me to tomb. At the forward no. President Kase or your specific say and this is for natural book. Hey, this is for natural book. And a book no yajuma. Hey, who? Akoye say, Obiaka say, Tremoniatro Bible ama Christopher say, for the normal finance. Sorry. Na Christopher de Sa Pepe and no person watch the end. So, now, Yanko, the forward, first paragraph. Was it to our future, made up of the present and the unborn, for whom this will of a nation is being prepared? To our foremost king, Ofori, the progenies spread across the world, for whom and to whom alone this sacred document is prepared. Near what patch in an say, ye share ye daching. Eye ene. Any ye money and nan and counsel more ye womu and ye or man yin AGYAPADIE ediama womu. Now ye hinia chese no odikan ye friend no Ofori wonu and omo ye sadie we nyina so ediahye na numunyam muntie de yo wadu no omo ye ediahye na numunyam ye ko was it as the heads of Nana Apianim Kwamframa, Nana Kuntunkrunkri, and Ofori, our people were never defeated in the wars of old. We were nobody's subject, and yet, after 1957, we were made to live in the shadows of the descendants of people who never defeated us in the war, whilst the Ashanti Kingdom was uplifted to put us in the shade. We are certainly now with ye. Me catch re improfo bi say MPP adina na ekoso no more of tribal than politics. No monti ase ye blindfoldu omo just to mislead them. And no maso sidin so because omo ni muhuma omo akọ school omo yusu adwene no nyansa no e de biti won. Won wasem a wo kan ha sei. Wo se sa wo mpanimfo anyina eye mprofo a yan defeat omo chese omo anko akon ame amro omo anase yan ni omo so nkuni mu da. Enso so after 1957 ye kan say fa hudie baaye no afede omo pia achemfo no ekokoshe sumase ana omo ma asantefo so wati
ntio pa
eti me say asem ya ye kan wo ye MPP ni mefo anu metum except say wo ya chimni cha asem we kapa wo ho na so ya senti dia mefo anu metum because who defend this idea way wo nana no mo will never forgive you. Ye pa bekom wo ba wo said wo magigi Ghana AGYAPADIE wo mo say this for natural and e ya aduma ye implement it. Jesus Christ etieni ya ma asante eso ade aka achemfo ahye eti say de wo manya pan no muntie na edidi so wo say with arrival of Nanado we see the rebirth of second JB Dankwa who has come to rescue. So what I say? Akufo Addo abedi akonya idie. Second JB Dampare na ba no. Eti oba beje wo mo. Afri sumu an omo hyemu. Woti hodom say ya wo metu mu nti wo defende. You don't know. You don't know. Hwe was it fully cognizant that we were currently part of modern Ghana, modern nation of Ghana, the name of which was originally proposed by the illustrious son of Afriyie of Otchere, JB Dampare, and aware that it is currently made up of other diverse people. We have to assert our old selves and ensure that we no longer continue to live in the shadow of other kings and peoples we defeated in war.
Yo, it's for waiting and someone at the 20 so I'm can say this is so and I will handle so we can subscribe. Yeah, let's say over subscribe. Now, what like it now, if I say video on Australia of also opinion be ahead. Also, get me actually what in Afriyie and some women who I will comment boxing. Boakye interview in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.